Growth mindset. Handle your mistakes and your feedback better. Have a better attitude about it. Don't worry about it. Don't let it affect you personally. That is number one. And then if you believe in growth, all these mistakes suddenly become learning experiences. And you're open to feedback. It's a tool for improvement. You actually want people to criticize you because you know without that criticism, you're never going to advance and get better, right? So Chopin never got to become Chopin at the piano without teachers telling him, that's terrible. You hit that E sharp with the wrong note of legato, and screaming at him, I'm sure, and whacking his hand on the keyboard. But guess what? It was all a chance to get better, and then he became a master. People with fixed mindsets would take that defensively, throw a tantrum, never play the piano again. I can't believe you said that about me. And then it's all personally, and that hinders your progress. I know this is hard. I know if you've spent, like, let's say 50 years thinking about things one way, it's hard to change how you think. But what I would encourage you to do is go read some of this literature, go read some of this work. You could start with my book, of course, but I barely scratched the surface of it, right? Go read Dweck's papers. Go read Aaliyah Crumb's papers. Go read Martin Seligman's work on optimism. Optimism is responsible for 75% of anyone's success financially, in their job, in their life. It doesn't come down to IQ. It doesn't come down to socioeconomic status. It doesn't come down to looks or height. It's how optimistic somebody is. Now, that is incredible if you think about it. We now know that all of our surgical outcomes, the number one most important factor that determines your outcome is the patient's preoperative psychological status. Were they anxious? Were they depressed? Did they have a bad attitude going into the surgery? Do they think they're never going to get better? Those people don't get better.